One day, I was actually at Ang Mo Kio Avenue 4 Food Center. I went there late, so most of the stores were closed. But as with such things, you discover things that you don't expect. And so when I was walking out behind the food center, I found something that it used to be very common around Southeast Asia, in Singapore and Malaysia, but nowadays it's not very common. And this is what I found. This is actually a hobby that many Chinese immigrants had when they came to Singapore and Malaysia and around all Southeast Asia, where they actually raised songbirds as pets. And the Chinese has been doing this since the Qing dynasty. So you don't actually hear this much. It gives a very different audio scenery than what you're used to in our urban environment. And I have bumped into one of these clubs that actually raise songbirds, and I think this is one of the clubs that have a nice big field for the birds to sing, and it's quite nice, something different, something you don't see often nowadays. I would like to apologize for the disturbance in the audio. This is one of the first few videos that I shot, and I didn't have any good equipment. But bear with me and let's hear the songbirds sing. And thank you for joining me for this cute quick bites episode. Bye bye.